Today we are doing wet on wet technique. We're going to first start with our sailboat and then move to our crab. We're using navy, red, white, and light blue. First, you want to start out with your outline navy, and you're going to draw a line straight down on your sailboat, and then you're going to outline your boat. You're going to fill that in with flood icing, working your way from the outside, working way in, and then we're going to use our white flood icing to make 3 dots there on the bottom. Next, we're going to move to our light blue icing. We're going to outline in our outline piping consistency and then flood with our flood consistency. Then we're going to add polka dots, and this is with your white flood icing, and you're going to do a dot and pull straight up. Next, we're going to outline our other sail with white, and we're going to work our way from the outside, working our way in. And then we're going to take our red flood icing, make sure you're using flood icing, and you're going to do lines straight across. I like to start in the middle because I can see better the distance in between my 2 lines. Next, we're going to just outline those 2 sails just to give them a little bit more dimension and let them stick out. So I'm going to outline in my piping consistency. This is like a toothpaste-like consistency and helps them to stand out. All right, then we're going to just add our little flag there at the top in the red. Next, we're moving on to our crab. We're going to outline his body first with our outline icing and then fill in with our flood icing. And then we're going to take our white wet on wet white flood icing and do 3 little dots on the top and 3 on the bottom. Next, we want to fill in for his hands and his claws and his feet. And I'm adding those little squiggles in the middle because that helps prevent any craters from forming since it's such a small area. You can also put this in front of a fan right after you flood it, and that will also help prevent craters from coming. Next, we're going to do our eyes for the little crab. We're going to outline in white and then flood in the middle. And then I like to use these black sugar pearls that are great. They're made by PME, and just pop those in, and they look great for any characters. And there's our wet on wet technique.